What is up, everybody? Today we are in the E30 and we're going to take a drive to South Austin to go check out an awesome BMW dealership that only deals with classic BMWs. All that in today's episode. My name is Ryan. This is Project Racecar. Let's get into it. So when my sister first moved to Austin, Texas, she sent me an awesome Snapchat and said, hey, I think this guy might have a couple old BMWs, and she drove past it and there was just dozens of E30s and 2002 BMWs and just a whole bunch of classics, and I was just blown away. I was like, oh my god, there's like 10 of them, right? And so then I just decided, like, we stopped by there again and drove by, and the guy wasn't out there. So today I'm going to drive down there, try to talk to the guy, see if he will show us around the shop, see if he'll show us the 2002s and the E30s, and kind of just talk to him and see what he has. So this area is about 30 minutes south from me, yeah, we'll talk to the guy, see if he will let me film a little bit, see if he will let me look at some of the cars. Maybe we'll get such a good relationship that he will let me drive and review some of the cars. That would be awesome. I've never been able to actually see in person a 2002. Super awesome. So I don't know if he actually sells the cars or anything about it, but I know that he has a ton of different options. So let's get down there. Wow, look at that. Because these 2002s, they're super light too.
Yeah.
I'm sure this thing gets scary.
Yeah, this will spin through third on the right cement.
That's
without
crazy. Because don't these cars normally, that is not much room.
No.
That's incredible though.
E34 5-speed transmission. Yeah, E30 LSD. E30 trailing arms.
Is it unlocked?
Yeah.
There's such little cars. So this wagon, right-hand drive, imported. Thing is clean. Manuals too. 161,000. Nice. This other 2002. Dang. It's got this E30 Racecar, wide body. Another 2002. It's M3. The Dirty 30. That one has a turbo kit on it. A couple parts cars. Another turbo E30, 2002. There's tons of cars over here. This 2002 is sick. Has a little carburetor on it. A little carb car. These things are super simple. Got drum brakes in the rear. Super clean interior. I guess super simple. These things are very small cars. And I guess they are getting ready to sell this one. But there's just tons and tons of cars over here. All BMWs, which we love. The E46 M3 is also beautiful. I think all of these cars are manuals, which is insane. Just to find all of them being manual, being in relatively good condition. That 2002 is sick. It's insane. The E36 over here. It's a little drift car, I think. Also manual. I feel so happy over here. One of the guys, John, went through and just talked about all the cars. Brought me through, and we went over all the cars, and they are all super clean, very awesome, and a fun just shop and vibe in general. Still in love with this wagon. I can't get over it. It's like business in the front, party in the back, all the time. There's so much room. Super clean. So I guess that it's a just little shop that kind of restores BMWs, does a little bit of the selling and restoring and fixing. Just I'm in heaven. I'm in BMW heaven, and I don't know. If you guys want to see in depth in a car, maybe the 2002, maybe I can get a ride along or a drive with the 2002, because the E46 M3, like, the thing must be insane. I don't know how a car that small can fit a E46 M3, so that'd be awesome to get a clip and a video of, because it's insane. So apparently they have a EV 2002 down here, an electric vehicle. So I'm gonna go find it, kind of just make my way around the shop, see what they all have. But let's check it out. Got this little E36. I do love the E36s. Manual again. This one's super clean. Got the Vader seats. Is this an actual M3? No, it just has the Vader seats. It is an M3. That interior is beautiful. I forget that they have the ugly steering wheel on the M3s, the E36s. That interior is super clean though. But there's a little parts car, and then this 2002 is apparently an EV. How's it going?
How are you?
Doing well. It's at 61,000 miles. That's crazy. Here's where all the parts are. Where all the parts come to die. There's hundreds of rims and a whole bunch of stuff. There's a new 2002 front end, whole bunch of diffs. This is crazy. Bumpers. I feel like that, oh, there's whole exhaust systems back here. I feel like I'm in the cargo train of Polar Express, where he's laughing. Hey, we could get the E30 some new fenders. Those ones aren't bent. There's dozens of hoods here. 2002s and trunks. So I am just coming back from the shop. I wasn't able to film as much as I wanted to, but it was so cool. There were so many different cars there, a whole bunch of unique, just beautiful cars. The E46 M3, the S52 swap 2002, that is a mouthful, but that car was amazing. I'd love to drive it. A lot of the cars are manual and they're in really good condition. But they had a position open. They were hiring people. So I ended up talking with the owner, and I ended up coming back with a job. So I start there on Friday, which is probably the day that you guys will see this. But I'm starting at this shop, and it's a awesome place. They have a whole bunch of old 2002 E30 content, and just tons of different cars and tons of different projects going on. They said they had a whole bunch of projects still coming back from painting. So the cars are coming back from paint, so that means that they have more cars and a whole bunch of different just projects going on. And so they have room at the shop for me. They have YouTube content, so I'm going to kind of partner with them and show you guys all the projects going on and everything that I can get my hands on. So I've been lacking a little bit in the content just because of lack of funds, but if I'm working at a shop and have content for you guys, especially with awesome BMW content, I hope that you guys are just 100% down that thing just gets down. So he said that it spins through third gear. So I'd love to see that, love to drive it. But I think that this is the start of something fantastic. Some of the cars are actually for sale, so especially the 2002, the E46 M3, and a whole bunch of other cars. So he does sell the cars, he sells parts, so if you guys are looking for something specific, let me know in the comments down below. I can always help source those parts for you and help you guys get cars if you guys are in the mood for them. So if you guys are looking for certain cars, especially in that classic kind of area, the wagon is also for sale. That thing is sick. So let me know if you guys are looking or just thought of any car. I'll give a bit more of a breakdown for you and a little bit more reviews in the future of these cars. I, for one, am super excited. I love my old school BMWs. And make sure to give a like on this video and subscribe because we are going to be pumping out some BMW content. So until next time, my name is Ryan. This is Project Racecar. Have an amazing day.